got curious with drilling the other day, and I said, after I did those videos with the speed drills, what about this hole bore? This is with the one that you drill your doorknobs here. This is 2 1/8 of an inch, 54 millimeters. So I got curious and I said, let me see what would happen if I used the hammer drill, the impact driver, and a regular corded drill. We're going to throw in one more. This is the regular drill here. Which one of these would drive this better? Well, drill a hole better. I did one right here, just out of curiosity. I'm not going to tell you which one I did, but we're going to do 4 holes with this. Let's start out with the one most people get, and this is your cordless drill. Everybody would have that cordless drill, and they would get the drilling, and they would go up to a door. We're going to put a hole in this door for a doorknob. Let's see what it'll do. I'm going to put this on 2 in the drill setting. And I'm going to drill right here. See how fast this goes. I put a lot of pressure on that. It went in. We have a nice hole. So that one took some time, and that's hot. People, that is hot. Friction. I'm gonna put this to the side. We're going to say that one was used. So let me get this piece of wood out of here, and everybody knows how to do that. Let's see, luckily I had that around. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Unscrew that, and I'm doing this so you all can see how to do this. For those who don't know, this is how you remove the piece of wood from the doorknob. Okay. I'm gonna use that for Christmas one. This is still warm, so we're going to drill number 2. The impact driver. Uh-oh, won't work. The impact driver doesn't accept that. So, impact driver is out the question. Okay? One of the reasons I did that video about the impact driver. Can't use it all the time. Hammer drill. Hammer drill on number 2. Get it chucked on. And we are going to do the hammer drill right here. Make sure I got this in the camera. Right there. I mean right there is where I'm going to do it. Hammer drill on number 2. Let's go. Was it faster? I don't know. And it did a bonus. It didn't stick. Was that faster than the regular drill? I'm going to have to watch the video on that. I really don't know. I think it was, but I don't know for sure. Was that actually faster? Did we have another drill in play? Yes. Corded drill. This is the one everybody just don't make videos with corded drills anymore. I still use corded drills all the time. It's just better than the cordless ones sometimes. Not all the time, but sometimes the convenience of being cordless is just there. We're gonna drill right here with the cordless, with the corded drill. Those who don't know what I'm talking about, this is a cord. Okay, corded drill. Black & Decker. Okay. Also Stanley. Here we go. Put about the same pressure on that. Now, here's the question. I really can't tell which one was better. I can't tell if the hammer was faster than the cordless or the corded. I can't tell if the corded was faster than the hammer or the cordless, or if the cordless was faster than the hammer and the corded. You all get that? Okay. I really think the hammer drill went faster than the corded drill went faster. The hammer drill was faster than the corded. The corded was faster than the cordless. So if I had to take a pick on which drill was faster, I'm gonna go with the hammer. I just think it felt like it was a little faster than the other ones. Other than that, naturally I would have this one. I'm not looking for a speed. It's not in a race. I don't get paid by the hour, but just the information for people who have holes and doors that they need to drill, and which one would work better. You all let me know. from what you just saw. Which was better? Which was faster? Thanks for watching. Leave that comment.